This is Fiverr. And here you can, as you can see, there are many types of work that you can get done here. And you can hire, for example, graphic designs. There are many freelancers that offer designing work. For example, if you want to design for your logo, you can simply go and select and see the package for these freelancers. And if you are okay with that, you can simply hire it. And this is what I like about this platform, where you can see the price for the task that you want to get done, and you can see the ratings of the freelancer, so you can be sure that this guy or this freelancer is good enough to work on your projects. And it has many different types of freelancers. You can even find the developers to develop your websites, your app, or whatever that you need here. It's done through packages, and that's kind of unique proposition for the employers. And if you want to make videos or animation work, then you can simply find the freelancers here. And this platform is very popular with the designing, so I rather use this platform for designing work than any other platforms. And you can also find their previous work, so you can be sure that how good they will be when it comes to creating content for you. And you can also compare the packages. For example, here you have basic, standard, and premium, and you can just order it without having to contact the seller. And when the seller receives the message, then you can continue talking on the private chat. And once the seller submit the work, then you can review it, and if you're okay with the work, then you can simply release the payment only after you're satisfied with the work. And there are a few videos that I use this platform to create the video content, and this is one of them. It looks professional and it looks good, and this video only costs $100 per video, and I'm satisfied with this work. And this is the ads for the Retail Master post. And another platform that I use is the Upwork. Here you can see the contracts that I have with the developer, and I have many different developers. And the reason for that is some developers have limitation that they can only handle the front end, so I need to hire a few developers to make sure that end-to-end tasks can be done successfully. And when I select the freelancers, I make sure that they have good ratings. For example, Tila Hussein, this guy is the best. We've been dealing with this guy for quite a long time, and the reviews are quite good, all 5 stars, and the work that he has completed, and you can review the works and everything. And this is how you can review the freelancer profile, and you can make sure that they have the 100% job success rate. Before you hire any freelancers, you can message them and you can chat to check their qualifications and their expertise. And here I broadcast a job, and this guy Muhammad, he applied for the job. I messaged him before I grant the project. This platform is good for finding the developer, and it has many other types of freelancers, but I prefer to use it as a platform to find a good developer. If you want to post a job, then you can just simply post it, and you can put some details. For example, here I'm going to put the short-term project, and I put the name of the project, and after that I create next. For example, Android developer needed. Then you will have a lot of applicants, and you can review their profiles before you grant the project. And here I would recommend to use only the fixed price. And as I mentioned before in the lesson learned session, they estimate that freelancers, regardless of the platforms, will always exceed their estimates. So for example, if they say, well, the task can be done in 10 hours, do not trust them. You just go for the pay at fixed price, and you can go for the pay by hourly basis only when you need a freelancer for specific tasks. For example, if when your server goes down, you need the freelancer to pay attention to fix the problems, and in that case, you can agree to hourly basis. Otherwise, if you are to create a project or application, I would suggest you to go at a fixed price, because it will always exceed their estimates. And I always demand to go a fixed price, and if they are not okay with that, then I will just try to find another freelancer to work with.